how do we create this target chart and actual versus target and the difference overachieved or underachieved. Underachieved is showing as red, overachieved showing as green. How do we create this chart in Excel? So let's go to a new sheet with the data. So there is some supporting data here. So target, if target not achieved means the target is lower than the actual, and here actual is greater than the target. If not the greater than the target, then that is NA. So we use the simple formula here. So let's take the data and target, go to the insert, go to the line chart. Here we just format the shape outline as no outline, and from insert we just take a small shape outline as dark one and width as 1.5. So just copy this, select this marker and paste it here. We just take this off. Now we just add the actual data, go to the add. So this is the actual, the series value is the actual one. Okay, so right click on the marker, change series chart type, convert this as stacked column chart, and take this fill as gray. Now add the target not achieved value here. So again select data, add series name target not achieved, series value is this one, and now from this marker go to the change series chart type again, and here we choose as state column chart. So here this means that this target not achieved, so this should be something negative, should be red. Now we add the target over achieved data. So already in the bar we already added the target not achieved, so we now add the target in the secondary axis again. So add, select data, add. So here I can write that target second series, and this one. Okay, so right click again, change the series chart type. The second target series we plot in the secondary axis and take as the state column chart. Okay, now we plot the target over achieved data here. Again we right click, select data, add target not achieved series, and series value is this one. Here we just take it and we again right click on this marker, change series chart type, secondary axis, and convert this as state column chart. Now this is the overachieved value, so it should be green. We select as green and we select this target as no fill, because already we have the actual data in the primary axis. We just remove this axis and we just add the value data in the series. So right click here, we just go to here, and this is the want to see the actual series, and select as data labels, plot in this data as insert base, take as black. Now add this data in the series overachieved. So click here, data labels, and take say this as white. And for not achieved, we just from here we can format not achieved, target not achieved, select the targets and choose the data labels. Now we just click white. We can add a chart title as target chart. So this is our target charts showing the value overachieved and value underachieved. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.